Alright, ever wondered how those tiny LED bulbs light up your whole room? Let me take you behind the scenes, step by step. So the next time you flip the switch, you'll know exactly what's glowing above you. First up, it all starts with a wafer. Not the snack, but a super thin slice of semiconductor material, usually sapphire or silicon carbide. Workers coat the wafer with a special chemical, then shine ultraviolet light through a pattern mask. This process, called photolithography, creates microscopic pathways for electricity to flow. Next, these patterned wafers get dipped in a bath of gallium, nitrogen, and other elements. This is where the magic happens. The atoms bond together and form the LED's light-emitting layer. After baking in a super hot furnace to lock everything in place, the wafer gets cut into thousands of tiny chips, each one no bigger than a grain of sand. Now, onto assembly. Each chip is carefully mounted onto a lead frame. Think of it like a tiny metal seat. Super thin gold wires connect the chip to the frame so juice can flow when you flick the switch. To protect the chip, it's surrounded by a clear epoxy dome. This acts like a shield and a lens, focusing the light and keeping it safe from dust and moisture. But an LED bulb isn't just a single chip. Manufacturers arrange multiple LEDs on a circuit board, add a diffuser to soften the light, and wrap the whole thing in a plastic or aluminum shell for durability. Before shipping, every bulb is tested for brightness, color, and efficiency. Only the best make it to your local store shelf. So next time you're bathed in bright, energy-saving LED light, remember, there's a whole world of science and precision packed into that little bulb. Pretty cool, right?